Hello viewers, if you're new to my channel then I like to introduce myself. Hi, I am Sumana. Welcome to my channel. Today I create very dramatic slice place makeup tutorial. I'm so excited to create this look. So let's go guys. So guys, first I am doing my best makeup in off camera. Then I am going to draw a thin line to create face slice with the help of gel liner. So here I am using a flat or thin brush. So if you create this look, then you have to use any kind of flat and thin brush to create the proper line. And as you see, I am going on the side area and I am adding more dimension, more shadows to create the slice face properly. So just keep filling in the side area with the help of a gel liner. So here I am using a gel liner. You can use any kind of black face paint. Then I am going to use some red eyeshadow in eyeshadow palette to illuminate as my face in a side. To look this part more natural, I am going to create some black shadow for creating the shadow properly. Whenever I create this slice, I applied the same process to illuminate. I am taking more and more time to create this shadow properly because if I am not doing it, then it not look like a proper slice face. Then I am going to blend this shadow and just keep blending gently and then blend. So here is the second cut and here I am applying the same process to create the cut and shadow properly. Then I'm going to the lip area and I'm going to draw my fake lips under my original lips with the help of a lip liner. So guys, here I am using a lip liner. If you create this look, then you can use any kind of lip liner or lipstick. Okay, then I'm just keep filling my fake lips. So my fake lips are completed. Then I'm going to my nose area and draw a line with my brown eyeshadow and then blend it properly. And as you see, I do not draw a straight line just like my nose. This is a very tricky part, so if you do this, then exactly follow that how I draw this line. Then I am going to draw some white line beside the slice part and rub this area with my finger to look this slice more dramatic. So now it's pretty much done, and at the last I draw a thin line, just refine my lips properly, and it's completely done. So guys, I told you before in this video that I was very much excited to create this look, and here is the complete look. So people, I think you like this video. If you like this video, then like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye guys.